The horizontal bandsaw is a very useful tool for cutting long material and making specialized cuts at angles. The basic principle is a drive motor at this end driving a loop of steel blade that has teeth on it. The spacing of the teeth is chosen appropriate to your material, and so if you're cutting steel, wood, whatnot, and the size should be appropriate as well. The tool should be adjusted to match the work you're cutting. So suppose we were cutting this piece of wood here, we want to adjust the position of the blade stay to match the width of our material. So the blade is supported near the material. The position of the blade is controlled in two ways. This hydraulic control adjusts the rate of fall of the material, of the blade. And so during the cut, it has a consistent pressure on the material as it's cutting. You can stop it there. The tool is turned on and off with this switch here. And so when we turn the tool on, it's not plugged in. When we turn the tool on, we actually push it down. The tool stays on until the tool completes the cut, and when it completes the cut, this rises and shuts off the tool. So that's the way the tool is stopped. Material has to be held very securely, so we provide a vise which is brought to the tool and then locked in that fashion. Now the material is held firm. The rate of feed established by the hydraulic control is a matter of judgment. You can hear when the tool is straining, and that should be avoided. So the cut rate needs to be appropriate to the motor you have, the density of the product you're cutting, the length of the cut. And so each of these parameters will ultimately control the rate of cutting that you establish. The dangers of this tool are the cutting blade, which if it interacts with your hands or any other thing will cut it, so it has cut dangers. It will throw off chips. Those chips may be hot. They also will be sharp, and so you have to have eye protection to avoid getting any sort of particles into your eyes. The angle of the cut is adjusted on this axis, and so we can rotate the entire bed through any angle to establish the desired angle of cut. The blades are held on the board over here, and you can see the variety of tooth settings that we have here, depending if we're cutting large wood or small steel. Again, the rule of thumb is that you need to have at least 10 teeth on any piece of work being cut. In this case, we have many more than 10 teeth on the surface, which will slow the cut, but it's not a danger. Having too few teeth on the work is a danger. One needs to make sure that the teeth stay clean and free of material. There's a cleaning wheel back here that wipes the blade off as it goes, but particularly when used with aluminum, the blade can become clogged with aluminum, in which case the cut must be stopped, because that will result in overheating and breaking the machine and probably the blade. So, the replacement of a blade is an activity that should only be undertaken by an expert. The blade is under high tension, and position of the blade has to be adjusted using these set screws, and so it is a fairly highly technical activity to set the position of the blade for if you need to change the blade. So that should be undertaken only by an expert user. Okay, and other than that, this tool can be used relatively safely. It generally does not include a lot of noise, although some materials when cut can shriek, if you will, and therefore if the material emits loud noise, ear protection should definitely be adopted as well. This is the support table, so notice that the work, even when it's cut off, is supported. So you want to account for all work being supported so there's no surprise falls or potentially risky falls such as that. Okay, I think that's all we would say about the brief introduction to the horizontal bandsaw.